This is what you're here for. The 72-volt system is the Mantis's calling card, and the power delivery is serious. The motor, which peaks at over 9,000 watts, provides instant arm-yanking torque. It has multiple ride modes, but I spent most of my time in two. Eco mode, which tames the throttle response significantly. I found it perfect for navigating tight technical single track where precise control is more important than outright speed. Sport mode, this uncorks the full power. The acceleration is aggressive, and it will lift the front wheel with just a twist of the throttle. On open fire roads, I was hitting speeds over 50 miles per hour, and the bike felt surprisingly stable. Handling is a mix between a mountain bike and a dirt bike. The 19-inch Moto-style wheels and dedicated off-road tires provide way more grip than any mountain bike component. The bike loves to be leaned over in corners, and the suspension, an inverted front fork with 200 millimeters of travel and a rear monoshock, does a respectable job of soaking up high-speed chatter and medium-sized hits. It's not a full-on motocross suspension, but for fast trail riding, it's more than capable. And as for range, forget the 75-mile eco mode claims. In the real world, riding in sport mode and hitting hills hard, I was consistently getting between 20 and 25 miles of aggressive riding. That's about 2 to 3 hours of hard fun before I started looking for the truck.